Pro 50 TCT is one of 6 models of the new mid-range drill family. Milling capacity up to 45 mm, 1.77 inches. Depth of cut up to 75 mm, 3 inches. Drilling capacity up to 18 mm, 0.71 inches. 2-speed gearbox. Large stroke enables extended reach of tools. Machine's basic features include purpose-designed motor, 2-speed gearbox, motor speeds 320 and 640 rpm, under load, spindle equipped with MT2, rigid design to extend tool life, large stroke enables the use of long tools, innovative smart magnet with reduced weight.